We begin in Mombasa tonight, where the Environment and the Lands Court has ruled that public land worth tens of millions grabbed by a former administrator be reverted back to government, a major win for the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. It was a brazen act of fraud in which suspects fraudulently acquired the property adjacent to State House, Mombasa, and sold it to a third party with fake documents. Our course reporter Yugen Nambeka starts us off.
In a landmark judgment, Justice Nelly Madheka of the Mombasa Environment and Land Court nullified all transactions tied to the illegal acquisition, ordering that the land revert to the government. The parcel, with registration number Mombasa/Block 26/1010, located near Mombasa State House and measuring 0.0492 hectares, was initially designated for the Deputy Provincial Commissioner's official residence. We couldn't film it due to restrictions around state houses. Investigations by the EAC revealed that Edward Mwangi Irungu, a former district officer in the county, conspired with the then Commissioner of Lands, Wilson Gashanja, to excise the land. Irungu later sold the land to Minalove Hotel and Restaurant Limited, which used the title deed to secure a 10 million shillings loan from Equity Bank. However, following investigations, EACC filed a recovery suit in 2015, naming 4 defendants, including Irungu, Minalove Hotel, Equity Bank, and Wilson Gashanja. In her ruling, Justice Madheka declared all transactions involving the land illegal, invalid, and null. Justice Madheka emphasized that the land was preserved for public use and could not have been lawfully allocated to a private individual. Citing Section 26, Cap 1 of the Land Registration Act, the judge stated, and I quote, "A certificate of title can be challenged and nullified on grounds of fraud, misrepresentation, or acquisition through corrupt schemes." She adds, when a registered proprietor roots of title is under challenge, it is not sufficient to dangle the instrument of title as proof of ownership. The proprietor must prove the legality of the acquisition and demonstrate that it was formal, legal, and free of encumbrances. End of quote. Judge Madheka ordered that the lease registered in favor of Edward Mwangi Irungu be cancelled, along with the subsequent transfer to Minalove Hotel and the loan charged to Equity Bank. The court has also issued a permanent injunction against Minalove Hotel, barring any future dealings with the property, and directed the land registry to rectify the entries to restore the title to the government of Kenya. As part of the judgment, general damages amounting to 5 million Kenya shillings have been awarded against Edward Irungu and Minalove Hotel. EACC says the judgment serves as a critical reminder to all financial institutions on the importance of due diligence before granting loans secured by land titles. Yugen Nambeka, NTV, Mombasa.